Nederlands praten.
Met heel veel dieren, maar ook heel veel schapen. En er zijn geen gewone dieren, maar de dieren die in de echte dierenpark wonen is in dierentuin.
Yeah, okay. My son said we're here in the park.
Dit is geen
And
dierentuin.
Dierentown, it's animal park. You will see it's so many birds here, and the other side there are sheep, there are gates, what's that, goats there. So it's beautiful here, you see. We live here, friends, so even I'm just here in this area, I see many nice things and beautiful spots here in our city. It's Vlaardingen. So it's here, there's a lake around. We go around and we walk a bit, so you see. Wait, I make it a bit closer. So we go around here.
En ik ga niet mijn eten geven.
It's beautiful here. And of the clouds, you see the clouds, it's beautiful formation of the clouds. It's a bit cloudy because maybe later it will
Mama,
rain.
toen ik klein was, was ik hier met mijn papa ook geweest.
Yeah.
Toen ik klein was.
My son said when he was still small, we went here with his papa, with his father, and he remembers it.
Dat was mijn eerste keer in deze
You just
dierenpark.
walk. I
En dit
make
is
you
de tweede
video.
keer in dit dierenpark.
So we're going to see the animals here. It's beautiful. I'm glad we went out. We're always stuck in the house. We don't bring food for the animals. Wait, I will make close. So there are animals here. Hello.
Aww.
We don't have bread. I'm sorry. So there are many
Ze
animals
eten geen
here.
brood. Dat zijn herbivoren.
Ja.
Dat zijn herbivoren. Die eten wortel.
Ja.
Die eten wortel. Gewoon. Wauw. Cool.
I think they are hungry. We don't have bread.
Maar ze eten gras. Ze
You give
eten...
your bread?
Nee! Ze eten geen brood. Ze
You
eten...
can buy later.
Ze eten gras.
Yeah.
Ze eten alleen gras. Dit zijn geiten en koeien. Rustig aan, rustig aan. Rustig aan.
Here's my son. We go farther, Bert. There are many birds here. Oh, this one, he's eating. See it? This one is eating.
Ik lag met z'n twee.
He don't like. It likes it. My son is feeding the good sa bird. Sige, you feed. It's hungry.
Is zo'n chicken voeren.
It's nice. I am low bata.
Ik vind En een voorstelling. Die wil zo leuk.
Yeah.
Gewoon eten.
Kom nou eens, Tom.
Many birds here. You see it? The animals here are not afraid of the people because people here are feeding them, so they are not scared.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah.